Yeah. Okay. Now let's proceed. So yeah, we are into the date actually. Okay. Now he's saying use the correct date method to get the month 0 to 11 out of the date object. Yeah, I don't know. Correct
Mm,
date method.
get full month.
Okay.
Get
Okay.
month शायद.
It's
I'm guessing.
starting from the zero. Is it like this? Yeah, Noor is saying yes. Okay. D dot get क्या month
Maybe get month.
get month
Month. Yes.
get month.
I
Okay.
don't know, but
Yeah,
okay.
correct.
Correct.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Here now I'm saying use the correct date method to
Yeah.
set the year object to 2020. So set date method. Okay. So
Set year.
set
अच्छा.
year
D dot set.
year 2020. No, it's not right. What should be the thing?
No, it's not right.
Correct date method to set the year date in object. D dot A. Sumit, answer, yeah. Sumit, Sumit.
Set full year.
Okay. अरे यार.
Set full is missing.
हाँ, set full year. We need to understand ना. Sumit was content developer. Okay, correct. चलो अब मैथमेटिक्स आ गए हम लोग. Okay, we are using the mathematics now. Okay, use the correct math method to create the random number. Math method. हाँ, math dot random ना.
Random only. Math on
Random.
random. Yes,
Right?
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Correct. Perfect.
Okay. Sumit is from backend. He is saying.
Okay, but he know the very good front end, na? Okay. So correct math method to return the largest number from 10 to 20. Full stack then. Yeah, we can see. Okay. So math dot
Math dot max.
max. Okay.
Max.
Sumit, we also would like to become full stack developer like you. Okay. I'm saying nearest integer round. Yeah, round method is there
Round
na.
method.
Round is there na. Round
Round.
is there. round
Yes,
round.
yes.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. Now here use the method to get a square root of that 9. SQRT
Okay.
of 9, right?
SQ
Of 9.
SQRT of 9.
Yeah, done perfectly. Okay. Now here I'm saying I would like to have the comparison. Okay. In alert box, X is greater than Y. Yeah, I can say greater than it will be showing me, right? Done? Yeah, correct. Now I'm saying equal to X equal to Y. Double equal to, right? True. Yeah, correct. Then I'm saying not equal to. So I don't think so. Not equal to should be right like this in terms of Java. Yeah, correct.
Yes,
all,
yes,
all
correct.
guesses are working perfectly. Okay, ternary operator. Okay, now it's Ria turn. Okay, so I'm saying we choose the correct conditional ternary operator. Uh, too young. Okay, too young means it will be
Too
age is
young is
less than 18. Okay, and then it's
edge
should be
is
the
then.
it's less than
Question
then
mark.
question mark then colon, right?
Question mark.
And colon.
Colon.
Perfect,
Yep.
perfect. Yup. Yeah. Here I'm saying X it,
Bracket.
then bracket, then curly brace, then curly brace. Yeah. No need to read the statement. Now we are directly looking into the code, able to understand, right? Yeah. I'm learning JavaScript with Ria or with Sumit. Okay. X is greater than Y. I don't know JavaScript, guys. Okay. If okay, then X is greater than else, right? Okay, done.
Else.
Perfectly done. Yeah. Now switch statement. Yeah, enjoying switch.
Which
S capital
switch
Small.
case.
small,
Uh, small, small.
small. Best
Yes.
small
Yes,
ठीक
yes.
है.
If
This is
small,
the
we will
case.
change.
Case.
Yes.
Okay. Case. Done. Right. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. We are learning JavaScript also, right? Very smooth. Okay. Uh, Right, it should be the, I'm saying neither, any one of them will be not there, neither any one of them, right? So it will be default only, right?
Default.
Default, F-A-U-L-T, F-A-F-A-U-L-T, default, right? Colon should be there. Colon should be there. Colon. Yeah? No? Yeah? Oh, perfect. Yeah, perfect. No, perfect. Yeah. We are learning. Yeah. A for loop. For, right? And what should be there? I should be there. I should be starting. I is less than equal to 9
No.
and I plus plus, right?
9.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Console.log. Hey, yeah, console.log came into the picture.
10, 10. No, I is less than 10.
I is
10,
less than
10.
10, right? Yeah,
0 to
log.
9.
Yeah,
10.
perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, here I'm saying create a loop to run through each item in the fruit array. Okay. Colon. No,
Colon.
no colon. X
No,
of
and
what? X of where? No,
the loop that runs through
no,
each item. No, yeah.
no. Mm, what should be here? Colon.
Uh,
Fruits.
that runs through item. No?
रुक जाओ मुझे टाइप करने दो. दो वर्ड आ रहे हैं.
Double colon, double colon, double
डबल कॉलन.
colon.
हाँ.
2 colon,
No,
I think.
no. Two colon.
Let's try. Not correct.
Not correct. Noor, any idea? Sumit, our savior. Sumit, कहाँ गया? Left. Left.
Yeah, I think so.
That's I'm saying left.
Joining lifting.
Tell me, guys. What should be
Okay.
here? Noor, any input?
What should be?
Sanjay, Noor, Riyaz, Vaishnavi, any input? Subhash.
I don't. Okay.
I am also thinking.
Thinking.
Okay.
I'm thinking.
Okay.
Create the loop that runs through each other.
Double
That
quotation.
runs through each item.
Hey, yaar, I'm not supposed to.
No double quotation. No, yaar.
No double quotation. How is it can be double quotation? For A, we have seen the previous loops now. Go to exercise number 1.
Array representation. We can put array representation.
Array representation? Yeah. Is it like that? But I have not seen H part of for loop.
May have.
No. We tried
Not
good.
that.
Not this. Okay. What else? I don't want to look into the answer.
Okay, we are creating our own JavaScript. Lucky we are creating our own JavaScript.
No. Okay. Got it. Huh? What should be? X in. Is it like this?
No.
Yeah, in. Yeah. Right. No. Right. No. In. Wow. Right.
Superhero.
It's in. Yeah. In. Then I have seen first time.
Wow.
I have seen first time in JavaScript.
I also have seen first time.
No, you know, see an internship of JavaScript from last 1 month. Hey, what is this? Okay, great. Yeah, we did it. In it.
Arey, Lucky.
Lucky,
the name is internship of JavaScript, but I am getting something different. I am getting something different.
Okay.
JavaScript also.
Okay. So here it should be for loop. No, what should be here?
For
Create a loop while
loop.
and then I is less than 10, right? Correct. Okay. Here number I'm saying create a loop. Okay. I is less than 10 and increment by 2 each time. Okay. So I'm saying increase by 2 each and every time. I equal to
I plus 2.
I plus 2, right? I plus 2. Then what?
No, I plus 2.
I plus 2, right.
I plus 2.
I plus 2, right. Plus 2. Yeah. Right, Jagaria, right. Okay, okay. मजा आ रहा है. Enjoying, right? Okay. Now here it's saying stop the loop. Break, right? Break. Done. Perfect, perfect. Break. Okay. And okay, here continue. Iteration jump. Next iteration means continue, right? So continue. Actually,
Continue.
we didn't.
Continue.
That's why we know. Okay, now it's HTML DOM. JS. I don't know what is this here. Okay, no problem. We will do it. So
It is
document dot get element by ID, right? Hey, bhai, document
Get element by ID.
dot get
Get element by ID
by
in bracket demo.
ID dot inner HTML.
Demo. Inner HTML.
हाँ ID means
Yes.
double quotation में demo, right? Demo.
ID. Demo.
Demo. Done inner
Dot inner HTML.
ML. Yeah, that
HTML.
we did it. Correct. Okay. Arey, yaar, this time so many things are here. This is not fair, yeah. So many things are there in this exercise. Okay, no problem. See, so many exercises are there. Okay, we will complete here, no problem at all. Okay, now here saying ID. Okay, saying get element by tag name. Okay, so document
Find
dot
the first.
element by tag name. What is the tag name here? Tag name, guys.
Tag
P.
name P.
P dot inner inner HTML.
Inner
Hey,
HTML.
did some mistakes. Did some mistake.
Nahi.
Did some mistake.
I think demo only.
Demo, no demo.
Then demo should be there.
Demo.
But tag name that should be there.
No, it's not demo.
I think
Okay, I think
wrong.
it will be like this. I think so. Like this. No, it is not like this.
Okay, one space is
Where you would like to give the space? Where? Get element y tag name. First name hello. Inner HTML. No. Noor any input. Vaishnavi any input. Subhas any input. Mm,
no.
mm, mm,
okay. Not that.
mm.
Document dot get. Many things are in JavaScript. Everything we learn like new point.
Tag name P. Is it like this?
Yeah, just put P. Just put
Tag
P.
name is
P.
okay. If
Just
it is
put-
not P, then what?
Oh, P. Then what? No, it's
One space is
space
left.
is space is left actually. This is space is left actually.
that internet.
Space is left. Tag name is P only, na. Okay, demo is not there actually. Demo is not there. Demo will not work out. We tried earlier. What should it be? Okay, I think so.
You have to change it to alert. You have to change it to alert, right? So you have to put alert and then you put hello, right?
No,
No.
alert. No. Alert.
There.
Tag name. No, it's not saying. See, get the element by method. Find the name first name P
And they already
element
changed
and
this.
change the text to the hello.
They already changed text. Okay.
Okay. I think so. It will be like this only. P. Don't know, yeah. Power cut again. Okay. I think so. We need to look into it. Let's look into it. It's we need to pass the value index of 0. See?
Okay.
This is the new totally different thing. It's index of 0. Okay, let's try again. So P, then okay, should be okay. It's like a normal P will be coming, right? And index of 0 is
Correct. Yeah,
coming.
normal P.
Normal P is
Okay.
coming, index of 0 like this. Yeah, this is the way. First time I have seen actually. I may get off at any time. Okay, that's fine. Okay, here test. So change the text for the first element that has the class name as test. Okay. Okay, class name is test. Okay, we can do
Document
Huh?
dot.
Dot
Remember this document dot get element by class, right?
get element
Name by class name.
By
ID by class name. I don't know actually.
Yeah, but
Element by ID.
and then
I
capital
by class. Okay, you are saying by
tag
class, right?
name.
class
Tag
name,
name.
class name by
But
class name.
by tag name also
Yeah.
can be done.
Class.
Okay, check.
Text
Tag name can be done. Na?
element that can be tag name. Yeah, tag. We tried the tag name. We whatever we know. Tag name. Okay.
And then
Saying
parentheses. Yeah, and
P
then quotes.
double quotation P. Then I'm saying okay. Then I'm saying dot of index of 0.
0, 1.
Then one also dot inner HTML. No guys, something is wrong here. Something
Try element by class name with all that.
into a class name. Yeah, let me try. Sorry. Document dot get element by class name. Last name. Yeah, guys, it is. I hope so. Huh?
Done,
No,
done.
I think so. I did some mistake here.
Not correct.
0 and 1. 0.1 like this.
In the parentheses, in the P instead of the P. Isn't it supposed to be test? It's supposed to be test.
Oh,
cancel it.
right. It was supposed to be test, yeah. Yeah, class
Yeah.
name, na test, double quotation. Yeah, like this. Dot inner HTML. Dot of 0 or dot of no, yeah, jagah is
1.
dot.
No
It's saying
space there.
first. It's saying first element only. First element only. I think so. This one is going to work out. Let's try. No. Oh.
Not correct.
Element by class name test. Then class name index. I don't think so. We need to pass. So class name test. Then it's saying the class name as test. It's clearly saying. So this will be the element by class name only will be there. First element means index 0. No. Okay.
First element by class name. Get first element by.
Okay.
Like we can write.
First element by class. Yeah. Perfect. Let me enter. No. Yeah. Get the first element by class name. No. Hey, dot lagana bol rahe.
Dot missing.
No.
Dot
Dot
missing.
is not coming now. I'm not able to keep the dot now. I'm saying test dot not coming. I think something went wrong. Okay, let's see guys what should be it. Yes, it's saying get element by class name test of 0 index. Yeah, so we was right here. I tried
तो है.
same. I thought of it same, but it's not different. Bit different. Class name index we have not passed. Na, yeah. Index we have not passed here.
We forgot the dot. I think the dot.
Dot is there. We applied a dot.
We
Actually.
have.
No first element.
We
actually.
have passed, but
No, we have not passed. See, I will show you. See, get first element will not be there. Element will be there. Get element y class name. Okay. Test will be there in double quotation. Okay. And then it will be index of 0. First element like this. Okay.
And then the dot is on the other side.
Right.
The other dot. Okay,
Yeah. I did
the
some
other
mistake.
dot. The
This
other
one?
dot. It's only one dot.
remove dot. Remove.
I removed the dot. No, I
It's
did
only
some
one dot.
I did some mistake again. Get element by class name, right? Test. But how exactly? It's again mistake. I'm not able to submit
Should
it
be
again.
space.
Huh?
Space.
Submit once.
Space? No, yeah. No space. No, it's one location is pending. One thing is pending. I'm not sure. One is pending. I have seen the answer, right? Element by class, right? Test only, right? What mistake again I did? Okay, see, get element by class name, then double quotation, then it's this one. But how exactly? Yeah? Elements, elements, elements,
Maybe
elements,
spelling wrong.
elements, not
Eh,
element. Elements. Oh, elements. Elements and here,
Element.
yeah, elements. Okay, here I no need to have this dot. Okay, it's elements. Why test instead of this one? Yeah, 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 yeah. See, guys, now it's correct. So much difficult. Okay, now here. Okay, now DOM. Okay. Mm, HTML DOM to change the value of image SRC attribute. Yeah, it's a very simple SRC only, right? Dot SRC? Dot SRC? Yeah. Yeah, correct,
Yep.
correct. Yup, yup, yup. Yeah. Here I'm saying input field. HTML DOM to change the value of the input field. Input field dot input. Is it like this? Let's see. No, wrong. What should be there? Input field. HTML DOM to change the value in the input field. Value? Is it like that? Yeah, value. Guys. I think so. You guys are tired, right? We are working from a long time. Just 4 more exercise, guys. Done. Okay. Okay. Red. It's saying we need to convert into the red. Text color of the P need to convert into the red, right? Dot inner HTML. I think so.
Get element in our HTML.
No, something is red.
No, something is missing.
Uh, uh,
Get color. No color. We cannot write color. 0 0. Write 0 there.
not come any zero I can write, but it's not correct. I need to have dot here, na? Color dot. What should be here? Dot color. No, it's not working. ID demo dot get element by ID element red. Inner HTML. I don't know that. Let's see answer. We don't know actually. It's a style dot color. Yeah. Style dot color. Now it's coming to the HTML and CSS kind of stuff. Style dot color. Okay. We are going to do style dot color. Dot style dot color. Right? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Now proceed. Okay. Now remember, guys. Oh, I'm saying size. Change the font size of the P element to the 40 pixel. Okay. So size demo dot an input, guys. Size. Change the size. Yeah, I don't know the CSS. Hey, you know CSS, right? Vaishnavi. You know
Font
CSS.
size?
Font size.
I don't know. I'm getting confused.
Okay. Font size. No document dot style dot
Yeah, just put style dot width.
Yeah, it's CSS, but
style
Dot
dot
width.
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 Wait, it's supposed to be
GPS
something before style. It's supposed to be something before the style.
with style 40 px.
So put p
X.
p dot style dot width. P
Let's
dot style dot width.
let's try this one.
It's
No,
spelled incorrect. Width is spelled incorrect.
okay.
WIDTH. DTH, but put
WIDTH, then
yeah, and then put P in dot style dot with in the beginning. P in the beginning. P.
okay,
Paragraph.
P dot style dot width. Okay, P dot style
Style
dot
dot.
width.
Wait.
Right, it's this one.
Yeah. I think.
No,
Oh
wrong.
no.
No, wrong. And the P dot will not come actually. It will come something style of font size. Font size. Font size.
Yeah. Try.
Style dot font size. P dot style dot font size. Yeah. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. Dot style dot font size actually.
Yeah. Something. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 40 px actually. 40 px. Okay, C left, I think so. Yeah, due to internet word. Okay, perfect. Now two more pending. Okay, here saying use the CSS display property to hide the P element. Okay, display dot hide dot display property display dot hide
Right.
anything. Oh, one more thing can be typed here. CSS display property to hide the P element. P element.
You don't put. I don't think you put hide. I think you put none.
None here.
Or no. It's hide. It's hide. Hide is one.
None. Okay, none. Then perfect. Then, but one more thing is pending here. See, something else is coming. Display property P element document dot inner HTML. No display. No display will not come. The style will come, right? Style dot display. Yeah, display is equal to none, right? Is it right? Right? Yeah, correct. We did it.
Yeah.
Every time style.
Yeah. Every
Style.
time.
Style.
Style.
Play. And Zakaria suggest
Ready.
none. I did. Okay, none. It's perfect. Oh, what I did mistake this time. Okay, dot will there, right? Style dot. Yeah, perfect, Zakaria. Okay, this time. Okay, now again, element listener is there, right? On click. Okay, on click. On click, so it will come. On click, it will come. No, it will not come here. First of all, event listener, right? Event listener. Assign on click. Okay, so I'm saying. Style will not come here.
Shouldn't that be inner HTML first?
Inner HTML.
No.
Okay.
Inner
Okay.
HTML.
Inner HTML dot on click.
Yeah.
Then
No, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit.
Okay.
On click is spelled incorrect.
Spelling mistake on click.
Okay.
So
So
it
I
doesn't
don't
fit.
have actually. I don't have actually this one.
No room. Yeah.
No room. Yeah. No room. Inner HTML. On click event listener. Event listener will not come, right? Document dot button. Document dot button. No, button. Document dot get element by ID dot event.
Event listener.
Listener will come. Listener dot no. How is it? It will be
Spelling mistake, listener.
no,
Spelling mistake.
that I will write. No problem. It's done here. Oh, 2 minutes, guys. We have only 10 minutes of time. This hash exercise. Okay. Event listener dot what? On click is not coming here actually. On click will come. That is I'm sure, but it is not coming here. It just should be button. So button is also not acceptable here. And event listeners style. What else should be there? Event listener will not come.
Well, it says use. It says use the event listener, right? So are you adding the event listener or no?
No, I on click. I don't know what should be the event listener actually. On click demo dot on document by ID inner HTML.
Will add event listener be fit or no? Add event listener.
Add event listener. Okay. Add event listener. Perfect. Add
If it
event
works.
listener. Yeah, but it will be like I think so. Then what? It button. What is click? On click. On
Yeah,
click.
try on click.
No, it's not coming.
No.
It's not coming. Add event listener. Use the event listener to assign a on click event on the button. Click me. Okay. I think so. We need to look into the answer. Yeah.
Put click. I don't know. Click. Put click.
Click.
Click will fit.
Yeah. Click. Yeah. I think it's L should be small one.
Yeah.
Small one. No, I think so. Event. E will be capital.
Yeah. E and L are capital.
Right. E is capital and L is capital, right? And listener. Yeah, guys,
Yeah.
done.
Oh wow, it worked. It
Done.
worked.
Yeah. Okay, so we successfully completed 2 exercises. Yeah, so let me show you again what exactly I did here. Like it was the add event listener, right? Zakaria suggested.
Yeah.
So add will be there and E will be capital here. Oh, sorry. I
That's,
clicked on submit button. E will be here.
then it's
E,
camel case, which is
yeah,
capital
camel
E.
case, yeah, and click. Yeah, it's a click will be there, right? Yeah, guys. Yeah, we have did it. Get certified now. What this? No, it's asking $95. Leave it.
You earned it, but you don't. You have to still pay.
Okay, guys. So today successfully we completed our 2 exercises. And Jakaria, I will suggest you this is the W3 school, and we have the exercises portion. You can go to the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, and Java. So we will
Did you
focus
guys
next
do
time.
Java? Was Java? Did you guys do Java already?
We completed Java already. Actually, you joined late actually to us.
Oh
We
yeah, I
completed.
know. I was just making. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do it. This Java. It's very
Yeah.
similar to the JavaScript only. So we will focus on the
Uh,
SQL next time. Okay. And
awesome.
HTML is a bit
Awesome.
difficult. Actually, HTML is a bit difficult. So we are trying to get the job. So for getting the job, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, and Java. See, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL. On top of it, jQuery also you should come. So 7 technologies you should come actually. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, and then jQuery, and then Java. So this we need to know.
Will
Like,
they? Will so quick question. So they most of the time, like when they're in interviews, they ask you about syntax majority.
your voice is
Hello.
not audible. Noor.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hear me? Do you
yeah.
hear me?
Tell me.
I said. So like, we're every like quiz is about syntax, you know. So in I know it's gonna help you knowledgeably, but do they ask you to write something like a code or in interviews, or do they ask you about syntax a lot of the time? Like what is missing, or that's just for testing purposes for like exams?
Right. Yeah, so exercises will help you, but quizzes is like if you go for HTML quiz now, it will check your do you understand. So quiz is also very good thing. Yesterday we completed the quiz. What is HTML stand for? Hypertext markup language.
Hypertext.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like this. So many quizzes are there. We are going.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So we are
Yeah.
just trying to have more interactive
Yeah.
session. We are trying to have some.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's
Yeah.
connect.
Very good. Yeah, very good.
we did an entire JavaScript,
Okay.
right? Without any knowledge.
Yeah. It's similar. JavaScript similar to Java.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Everything's in the question.
Mhm.
Everything's in the question.
Mhm.
Okay.
Right.
So
right.
so you're gonna connect next Saturday again?
Next Saturday we are going to
Okay,
do
no
that.
problem, no problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much for joining each and every person. Yeah.
Thank you,
And
Lucky bhai.
thanks for